Hi, I'm Leslie Lehman, and I'm the coordinator and adjunct faculty for the Truman College Child Development Program. There are a lot of great math and STEM education programs in the city of Chicago, but not very many of them are accessible to early childhood professionals. We developed a professional development program that was specific to early childhood teachers who wanted to get better at teaching math. We thought that if they had more confidence teaching math, that they would be better math teachers. The best way to do that was to bring them into our early childhood education tinkering lab where they could use real tools, make mistakes, have fun, and model some of the playful learning that we expect them to do in their early childhood classrooms. We want to share these experiences with you at South by Southwest EDU. We developed some best practices, some methods, some materials lists, and we even made some mistakes that we think are worth sharing. We hope that the work that we've done can help you to provide better professional development for early childhood teachers who want to increase their skills in teaching early math. So look for us in Panel Picker under Building ECE Teacher Math Confidence Tinkering. Vote for us, and we'll see you in Austin.